Good day everyone. For this activity, I will show you how I installed Android Studio Narwhal, created a simple Kotlin app, and produced an APK as the final output. So first, I will download the Android Studio Narwhal. So open po natin yung Google Chrome natin. So open po natin yung Google Chrome natin and search the Android Studio. So ito po yung latest stable version of Android Studio and it comes with Kotlin support. So after downloading, I will install Android Studio Narwhal on my laptop.
Now we'll just wait to finally set up the Android Studio. So now we will create a new project and then select empty activity, then choose Kotlin as the language. So nilagay ko lang po dito yung name ko as the project name. And then after that, i-click na natin yung finish button. So here is my code. So if we run the code, ito po yung makikita sa Android device natin. Here is the closer look of our Android device.